Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how we can make a very quick and easy website for our business. Okay. Here I found some interesting website. That's very interesting actually. That's website called webscar.net. I found this website. Then in this website actually they sell ready-made websites that they sell ready-made websites. Okay. Then first we need to, obviously we know our business category, so we need to click on websites. Then here they will drop down here. Then we need to select one of this category. Actually mine is a handicraft business, one of handicraft business, so I just click here. Then I can see here templates here. Okay. Then I just check this. We can check this templates by clicking on here. Otherwise just we can request a code here, make inquiries. I just fill up form here, then I submit it. Then they gave me this uh, demo sorry, this ready-made websites that may fit for my business. There's this one website, and that's actually this very good website and perfect website. It's all responsive and dynamic, well optimized website. Okay. They send me one, two, three. They send me these websites. Then I selected this one. I selected this one, and then as per their term, then I proceeded for the agree to develop to use this website for my domain name. Then after a few hours, they gave me this website at their own staging domain name, with my content, with my everything, as I told them. A very quick one. They change all things. Then even they set content as well. Then after they gave me the URL to review the things. Then I just gave them for few feedbacks. Then they change everything as I requested. Then they show me how ourselves can change the content of website. The CMS is very easy. That everything I can change myself. I don't need to any technical skill, right? See, and within the 24 hour, actually within 24 hour, I just made my website live at my real domain name. It's awesome, right? Even after the delivery of this project, they are very supportive. Then they are supporting me very nicely. So I recommend you guys also this amazing websites, webscard. Then from here, as you like, at good price, at good price, very uh, easy one. Okay. Then you can get one website for your business. Then you can make live without any effort and without any all the design and website knowledge. Then the guy are very supportive and very nice communicating. So I highly recommend to make website with webscard as I did my website. Thank you.